I don't know if you can really appreciate this on a video. It's just insane. And I can't zoom the video. It's like coming down in sheets and torrents. Over behind that house, you can perceive the original stream that used to run through this neighborhood. Hence the name Pheasant Run Road. I mean, after all, we know that a run is another name for a small stream, correct? The actual electricity is long gone by now. There's just some leftovers. We had a bolt hit just across the street. The lightning and the thunder were simultaneous. I didn't catch it under the camera. A car went by up there. A huge rooster tail of water.